Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. So today I have yet another face pack recipe for you because who doesn't like skincare, right? This is a continuation of my previous video which is the papaya and orange smoothie video. I had collected the papaya seeds and I told you that I was going to make another video. So today's face pack involves papaya seeds. So papaya itself, as we all know, is great for our skin. It has so many antioxidants that help with tightening the skin. So does papaya seeds, especially is very good to prevent aging. So this mask is great if you're like in your late 20s or getting into your 30s, because the early 30s is where skin is starting to mature. So this is like the right time to apply this this face mask because it helps to tighten and firm the skin and thus prevents your skin from having wrinkles. So let's get quickly started. So here I have my papaya seeds, and if you see, I've left the pulp in because it's papaya and it's great in every form. So I'm just going to let it in and I'm giving this a grind and I'll come back to you. So I'm back again with the ground papaya seeds. If you see, it's nice and coarse, and so this is really good in exfoliating your skin as well. So when you apply this, it helps to remove the dead cells. So along with this, I just have one more ingredient, which is my all-time favorite for skin, which is honey. So I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of honey to this. And we're just going to mix it all and apply it on the face. Mixing it all and using my fingers today, because that way the granules in the seed, they really exfoliate your skin when you're using your fingers. So I'm just mixing it all in and applying this on my face.
In the great outdoors, forever free, you and me, meant to be. In the great outdoors, forever free.
So guys, I've washed my face pack now. Mask does have a little bit of a tingling feel at the beginning, but then it subsides in a while. So if you have sensitive skin, it's always better to do like a patch test on your hand or somewhere else. It's actually good to do a patch test for every face mask before you apply it, so you know if you're not allergic to few things. So it's always better to test somewhere else in your body. So that's it for this video, my friends. I hope you like this quick face mask. Whenever you get a papaya, you can just remove the seeds, store them in the fridge, and then you can do this face mask maybe once a week. Papaya in general helps to brighten your skin as well. So this is a very good mask to do in the summer, so you can remove tan. So just store them in the fridge and you can use it whenever you would want. So I hope you like this video. Do share it with your friends, and I hope you subscribe to my channel, and also please turn on the channel notifications so you know every time I upload a new video. And I will also catch you up very soon with another video. And if you do have any requests for face masks, do let me know so I can try them for you. Take care, my friends. Bye bye.